Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer Relay 435L4 Diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 Asphalt Van 140ps Euro 6 ULEZ compliant X long wheelbase, non-runner. Tears OR repairs smiling face with hearts. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 50,287. MOT, the 28th of June 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped, engine will need repairing or replacing. A job worth doing to get this beauty back on the road. Very simple and easy for someone who knows what they are doing. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers.